Hello friends, welcome to Balkishar Premier Academy, one of the most pioneer institute for GATE, IES and PSU examination. In this video, we are going to discuss about the procedure to calculate the majority and minority carrier concentration in the N-type. Now, if we revise the N-type semiconductor, you can see that if this is an intrinsic semiconductor, let us take that it is an intrinsic semiconductor. So I am writing here it is a intrinsic semiconductor, and this intrinsic semiconductor is containing some amount of electron and some amount of hole, but they will be equals to the intrinsic carrier concentration Ni. So N is the electron concentration and P is the hole concentration of this intrinsic semiconductor. Both of them will be equal to the Ni, and Ni is the intrinsic carrier concentration. Now if we dope this semiconductor, किससे डोप करना है, मुझे एन टाइप बनाना है. So if we dope this semiconductor with group 5 element, और group 5 element का मतलब होता है कि ये डोनर एटम्स होंगे, डोनर एटम्स. सो डोनर एटम से अगर मैं डोप करूंगा तो ये एन टाइप होगा. सो डोनर एटम का जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन होंगे, that is the doping concentration, that is equals to Nd. So अगर doping concentration है, इसको मैं बोला Nd. Now there can be two possible categories, that this donor concentration, ये जो donor concentration होंगे, that donor concentration can be of two categories. पहला कैटेगरी क्या हो सकता है कि मेरा जो donor concentration Nd है, that Nd can be very much greater than the Ni. Ni से बहुत ज्यादा हो सकता है, और मैं बोल सकता हूं कि Nd जो है that is comparable to Ni. ये दोनों केस हो सकता है कि मैंने जो डोपिंग डाला ये Ni से बहुत ज्यादा हो सकता है, और Nd को मैं Ni के करीब रख सकता हूं. So two cases will be there. So it will be case 1. I will take two cases. So this is the case 1, and here I will get case 2, where the donor concentration is comparable to Ni. If I take the case 1, so in the case 1, I can say that in this case the doping concentration, that is the Nd, is very much greater than the Ni. तो डोपिंग कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अगर Ni से बहुत ज्यादा होगा तो मेजॉरिटी और माइनॉरिटी कैरियर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर के अंदर क्या होंगे. सो फॉर दिस केस लेट अस से दैट सिंस Nd is too much greater than the Ni, so we can say consider that, let us consider, अगर बहुत ज्यादा है तो हम लोग let us consider करते हैं कि ये जो Nd वैल्यू है, this Nd वैल्यू is very much greater than equals to 10 Ni. मैंने एक वैल्यू एज्यूम किया कि 10 गुण है, कि डोनर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इंट्रिंसिक कैरियर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन से 10 गुना इक्वल है कि उससे भी बड़ा है. तो अभी मेरे जो एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर होंगे, क्योंकि मैंने ग्रुप 5 एलिमेंट ड्रॉप किया, तो एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर के अंदर जो इलेक्ट्रॉन का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन होगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इन द एन टाइप, उसको मैं क्या बुला सकता हूँ, I will can call it Nn, and the whole concentration जो हो गए, जो whole concentration in the n type, I can denote it as Pn. So we can say this is the N and P, and electron will be the majority carrier and hole will be the minority carrier. So the majority carrier का जो concentration होगा, majority carrier carrier concentration or the electron concentration can be written as, that is Nn will be nearly equals to the doping concentration. डोपिंग कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के साथ सेम होंगे बिकॉज एनडी इज वेरी मच ग्रेटर देन द एनआई। और जो माइनॉरिटी कैरियर है एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर के अंदर, माइनॉरिटी कैरियर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन दैट इज द होल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन। होल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन क्या है? होल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज P of n, and we know that the mass action law can be used here to find the minority carrier concentration, because from this case Pn can be written as that the electron concentration Nn into Pn, according to the mass action law, it will be Ni square. It will be Ni square. So from this mass action law, we can find the value of Pn. Pn will be Ni square divided by Nn. So this equation will give us the minority carrier concentration, and this equation will give us the majority carrier concentration when the doping concentration is very much greater than the intrinsic carrier concentration. So in this way we can calculate the majority and the minority carrier concentration for the case 1, जहां पे मेरा doping concentration बहुत ज्यादा है intrinsic carrier concentration से. Now let us take the case 2. So in the case 2 में क्या है? केस 2 का मतलब है कि मेरा जो डोपिंग कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है दैट इज एन टाइप के लिए मेरा एंटी डोपिंग कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज comparable to Ni. So Ni के साथ comparable है. अगर Ni के साथ comparable हो जाता है तो according to the charge neutrality equation, according to charge neutrality equation, we know that the total positive charges, that is Nd plus the whole concentration, is equals to total negative charge, that is the acceptor concentration, plus N. But it is a N-type semiconductor. Now we are talking about N-type semiconductor. So if we talk about the N-type semiconductor, then there is no acceptor concentration. So the equation can be written as Nd plus P equals to N, and since it is N-type, so we can write Nn. So from this case we can find the equation. So मेरे पास अभी charge neutrality equation ये वाला आया. So this is the charge neutrality equation for the N-type. Now from this equation we can see that Nn is equals to Nd plus Pn. Now what is the value of Pn? We know the value of Pn from the mass action law. So let us put the value of Pn from the mass action law. So according to the mass action law, it will be Ni square divided by Nn. Now if we do the multiplication, then will come, it will be Nn square equals to Nn into Nd plus Ni square. So if I take the whole term in the left hand side, then I can find nn square minus nn into nd minus ni square. So it will come out to be 0. So this is a second order equation, and from this second order equation, किसका second order equation है? nn का second order equation है. So from this equation we can find the value of nn. nn can be found by this equation. So it will be minus of b. So this is the, if I compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then what is a? A value is 1, b value is minus nd. So what will be the b value? B value will be minus of nd. What will be the c value? C value is minus ni square. A value क्या है? A value मेरा 1 है. Now we can find the value of nn. nn will be minus b. b मतलब minus nd plus minus b square root over of b square minus 4ac. So b square का मतलब है minus nd whole square minus 4a का वैल्यू 1, c का वैल्यू minus ni square and divided by 2 into a का वैल्यू 1. So from this equation you can calculate the value. After further simplification we can write that n can be written as minus minus plus, it will be nd divided by 2 plus minus root over, we can write plus over root over, we can write that it will be nd square divided by 2 whole square. Further simplification we can write nd by 2 whole square, and it will be minus, and minus minus plus, it will come out to be, okay, it will come out to be minus minus plus. So ultimately we will get it as, calculation wise we will get it as plus ni square. So this equation, ये जो equation है, from this equation we can calculate the majority carrier concentration. Majority carrier concentration in n-type semiconductor. तो एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर के अंदर मेरा मेजोरिटी कैरियर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ये वाला इक्वेशन से आएंगे, ये वाले इक्वेशन से, इफ द डोपिंग कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज कंपेरेबल टू एन आई. और माइनॉरिटी कैरियर कहाँ से मिलेगा? सो माइनॉरिटी कैरियर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कैन बी फाउंड फ्रॉम द मास एक्शन लॉ. सो मास एक्शन लॉ से मुझे मिल जाएंगे, मास एक्शन लॉ से Pn, यहाँ से Nn मिल जाएगा. So it will be Ni square divided by Nn. So this is the mass action law. So from these two equations we can find the majority and the minority carrier concentration for the n-type semiconductors for the case of doping concentration comparable to Ni. In the end, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel to get more videos. Thank you.